One application of the limit definition is to find velocity from a position function. So suppose we're given a position function s at time t equals negative 4.9 t squared plus 800. So we want to find the velocity at time t equals 3. In that case, we have to look at the definition. For the velocity, is the limit as time approach a, the position at a, at t, subtract the position at a divided by t minus a. So notice that t approach a, t equals 3. In that case, we need to replace a by 3. So to find the velocity at t equals 3, we replace a by 3. That will give us a velocity at t equals 3. So s of t, we do not replace it. We only replace a by 3. So t minus 3. Now how do we use this to find the velocity? We need to plug in the expression of s. So limit as t approach 3. So s of t is negative 4.9 t squared plus 800. What is s of 3? Okay, so we subtract and we have to put things in parentheses. So we know, okay, this is s of t. What is s of 3? So s of 3 is negative 4.9 times 3 squared plus 800 divided by t minus 3. So the advantage of this is that we write it in this way, is that we know this part is s of t and that part is s of 3. And this is the only way to solve the problem. From jumping from this step to that step, we use the expression of the function s of t and s of 3. So once we change everything into algebraic expression only involving the variable t, then we can solve this problem. So notice we have plus 800, subtract 800, right? So these two cancel. So we simplify. We have limit as t approach 3, we get negative 4.9 times t squared. Now, negative minus negative of negative is positive, right? So plus 4.9 times 3 squared, t minus 3. We will see that the negative 4.9, okay, is kind of troublesome to us. So usual technique is we factor it out. So we factor out limit t goes to 3, negative 4.9. We factor out. What we get, what we have left inside is t squared. Now when you factor out negative 4.9, you get subtract 3 squared inside. Then you have t minus 3. So moving on, what we get is t squared minus 3 squared, right? It's a difference of square. What's difference of square formula? Tell us. Okay, so this limit is limit as t goes to 3, negative 4.9. We can factor the difference of square as t minus 3 times t plus 3. So which will cancel out with the denominator. So what is left is this limit as t goes to 3, negative 4.9 times t plus 3. So all we left to do is to plug in t equals 3, right? Because now we can do direct substitution. That's no fraction, no zero denominator. So what we get is negative 4.9 times 3 plus 3, which is 6. And in that case, you can use a calculator to get negative 29.4. And that will be the velocity at t equals 3.